GNCRC back once again. This is part 2 to the SCX24 build. So I'm gonna jump right into this. This is gonna let you guys know what I am doing to the SCX24. Just to give you what type of setup it's gonna be. Now, I do have a bunch of other parts coming in, which I mentioned in the last video. And I'll be unboxing those parts pretty soon to show you what those parts are and give you a good idea of what it's gonna look like once you see the parts. We're gonna jump right into this. Now this build is one that I wanted to do shortly after I saw the guy that have these chassis did. I was real impressed with the way that it ran. Now this is a belly dragger, so you know, to me this is my favorite one so far. This is my first time opening, so this is my first time seeing it. But I know we got to put it together. So you guys are very familiar with this SKP Engineer. We're gonna convert the deadbolt into this. This is the Warthog. Again, this is by SKP Engineering. I can't wait to do this build because it's just different. Like, it's a belly dragger, and I noticed there's no springs on the shocks. Again, you know, like I said, I've been in RC for years, guys, but I hadn't ever really did any crawler. I used to see the crawlers, I never wanted any, and I messed around, got the Jeep, and now I'm just addicted. But I got to turn this into the Warthog. Warthog, I just love that setup. This Jeep I'm not really crazy about, but actually once you get it in person, it actually looks pretty good. But I'm sorry guys, I got to turn to this. I'm gonna sell this body, so if anybody's interested, probably the body and the wheels and tires, anybody interested, reach out, let me know. I have my email address in the description also, so you can email me or put something in the comments if you're interested in this body and these wheels, because I won't be using those. That's my nephew want them. I don't think he's gonna want it because he's in love with a C10. But this is the next video coming up, guys, so stay tuned because this is gonna have some really awesome parts. I still hadn't decided if I'm gonna go with the TGU or the Lizard. I'm still not sure. I may go with the Lizard just because of the limited space, but I still may do the TGU because I know it'll fit in here. Just don't know which direction just yet. But stay tuned because it's coming soon. This build is gonna be really nice. This chassis, the way I got it set up, the colors and everything, I think you guys are gonna really like it. And then we're gonna definitely take it out and go get some crawling footage. We're gonna go to the hobby shop and get some crawling footage. But I got some couple of ways I'm gonna customize this, and I think it's gonna be really, really nice. But again, guys, thanks for checking us out. This is GNCRC, and we're signing off.